Hi TiLites, what's up? Sorry, y'all like my look? Y'all like my look? Hey, hey, hey! Inner Barbie is big today. Got my 70s look going. This side of my hair is always the thinner side. So, hey. Let me know if you like Inner Barbie out like this. Of course, she can be picked out larger. Yes, I got my afro pick. Boom, boom, boom. Right here on deck, y'all. Of course, she can be picked out a lot larger. But the way my car is set up, getting in and out of that mug, I'm going to have to carry this with me. Any of you ladies out there rock your afro, and you have to fix your afro every time you get out of the car because it rubs up against the ceiling. So yes, she is out today. She is being rocked today, and I'm so excited about it. So this is her last hurrah because she is about to be trimmed again, braided up, and put underneath a wig because I am going to do a protective style for the next until the summer. So, but that's not what this video is about. But yes, that's what I will be doing. So you guys will be seeing me rocking some wigs because I am going to give her a rest and let her be protected for the rest of the winter. And yeah, I will periodically take her down once a month and wash her and you know, comb her out, get all the shedding out, braid her back up, and then put the wig back on until the summer, and we're gonna see how long she gets. So I will be doing a video on that. But look what I have for you, Nadine West. And I'm going to do an unboxing. There's going to be a little surprise at the end of the video, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Whew. Let's see what she has for me. And just so you guys know, with all of her packages, she comes with the contents, and I explained what Nadine West is in my first Nadine West unboxing, and I will plug that in up here in a card, and it will also be in the description box. Also, what she does is she gives you a price list. You get an inventory of your items on here, along with how much they cost, and all that good stuff. So let's see what's in here. Always so pretty. Ooh, looks like some winter stuff, y'all. Looks like some. What is this? Is this a workout outfit? Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. They're like workout pants, but look at the detail at the bottom. So cute. Look at me, I am strappy. Oh, that is so cute. Show Sport is the label. Oh, these are so cute and soft. The cotton, oh, they're so soft. And I actually just started my new workout regimen, you guys, because I'm trying to gain muscle mass. Hopefully that'll be the way I gain some weight. So yeah, I will have to. Oh yes, yes, and yes. Let me look at the item list on that. Let me see. We have the bottom are Geo Runners purple, $24.99. Okay. This is a Cashmere Eternity white scarf. But it's an eternity scarf because look, it's never ending. This is so nice. Oh yes. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. That's $19.99. Wow, there's a lot in here. Okay, so we have a top and a dress. So let's look and see what we have, y'all. Alright. So here's the, this is the shoulder. Oh, that is so cute. Next we have, now hold on now, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, I was about to say, they already sent me this top. Now this is similar to the top that I had before, my last shipment. Almost the same color, but this opening is on the sleeve and not in the back. This is the back. So stinking cute. I gotta stop saying cute, but I like that a lot. Crossback red. Now in person it looks more burgundy-ish, wine. That's the way it looks in person. So nice. On to the jewelry. You guys know I love jewelry. Oh, what is this? Is a necklace? Is this like a choker? Look at that. Gold choker, chic, gold and black, $21.99. And this feels like suede. Very nice. On to the next. The earrings are called Flapper Red and they're $14.99. Vintage. If you guys haven't noticed, a lot of her items, her pieces are vintage. That's nice. So, wow. So yeah, now, for the surprise that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I am going to be doing a giveaway of this NADINE West packaging here. Now, it's going to be this jewelry, these pieces here, the Eternity scarf, which I really love. I didn't know what was going to be in here. I just knew I was going to give it away. You're going to win this top. And obviously, they coordinated the earrings with the top. So you get that. Scarf. Along with a few other surprises that I will have in there. I will go ahead and try this on, and I'm going to keep this and try these on. I don't want to give away anything that I tried on. So you guys will have this straight out of the box. I will not be trying these items on. So I hope you guys are excited about that. Thumbs up if you're excited about that. So the way you have to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram account, which is Tiffiney_Lamar. I'll put it on the screen for you. In the comment section, tell me how you found my channel. What was the attraction to my channel? Was it the family vlogs? Was it the natural hair videos? Was it the fashion? Was it my one salute video? I would like to know what brought you guys to my channel, or what it is you actually like about my channel, just so I kind of get a feel for what you guys like. So yes, thank you so much. Let me go ahead and try on these two pieces, and I will be right back. And the giveaway will end 1 week from today, this upload today. So before I forget, I want to mention that the link to NADINE West will be in the description box below, so you guys can click on that if you're interested in purchasing items from her. Yep, so let me go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay. First of all, I have to say, I am very impressed, you guys. These workout pants are long. If you are a tall, long-legged mama like myself, and I've had people ask me, where do I get my workout clothes from, because they need long workout pants. These pants are really long, you guys. Look at them. First of all, it goes and fold this over, right? Look at the length on these pants. Let me put this behind me so I can get a little contrast for you guys, so it's easier for you to see. They go all the way down to my ankles. Look at this. And then of course there's the detail on the side. That is so cute. Let me take these up so y'all can really see. Look at that. I am impressed. Look, it goes all the way down to my ankles. I am really impressed. Because my other workout pants, they're pretty long, but they're not this long. I've never had a pair of workout pants this long before. This is so perfect for me. Yeah, so if you are a tall, long-legged girl, I am 34-inch inseam, so I'm very high-waisted. I've always been high-waisted. I look short sitting down. When I stand up, it's like, whoa, where'd that come from? You know, when I stand up, so I need something, most of my pants, you know, to come, here's my waistline here. So I have 34-inch inseam, and look at that. Awesome sauce, y'all. That is so awesome. So now let me try on this dress. I'm gonna try this dress on just to get some contrast on top of this, because y'all, I'm about to mess up this afro. Well, I guess it's okay. It's not a big deal. I can mess it up. So it looks a little big though. Oh, it's a medium. Okay. So at first it felt too big, but it's not. It's a really flowy dress, and I love it. And I was going to say you could put a belt on with it. It's really flowy, and it has pockets. Look, it has pockets. So cute and cozy. Look at this. Yeah, guys. This is also a NADINE West piece here. Very cute off the shoulder. So let's play with this dress a little bit. Let's have a little fun. So I have some belts. Here's one of my cute little pink pearl, silver pearl belts with the bow ribbon on it. I've had this for over 20 years, y'all. I keep my stuff for a long time. I'm liking it without the necklace though, and without the earrings. But yeah, you can tie a little cute little flirty belt on the side of it. Let's put the necklace in the back. Cute little flirty belt on the side. I brought a few color options. I have this black and gold royal blue. But that is so cute. Look at that. That is super cute. Super cute, y'all. You can put a belt on it and do what you will. Do what you want. The central is gold and brown. Cute as well. Okay. And last but not least, we have corset style belt. You see the necklace in the back? Don't mind the necklace, y'all. I'm trying to show you without. So yeah, you guys, you can see this dress is very versatile. I think that I could even probably wear a turtleneck on it. The turtleneck that I had on earlier, I think I could even wear that with this. This dress is very versatile. I decided to do something different with this video, show you guys a little versatility. Yeah, so if you like this dress or any other of the pieces that you have seen in this video today, please feel free to click that link in the description box, NADINE West, and you can shop there. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, thumbs it up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video, and all that great stuff. And don't forget to enter into the giveaway at the bottom. You guys have a great day and shine bright, TiLites.